I told you. You'd die for that.
Did you know the average person touches their phone more than 2,617 times every single day? What if a company is secretly building a device to completely replace that habit? OpenAI's leaked hardware project involves a $6.5 billion deal, over 200 engineers, and a plan that could challenge the entire smartphone industry. For years, OpenAI was known mainly for software like ChatGPT and AI tools running inside phones and laptops. Now the company is moving into hardware, and the numbers behind this project are massive. Reports say OpenAI spent nearly $6.5 billion to fully acquire Jony Ive's startup called I.O., making it one of the biggest AI hardware deals ever. Jony Ive is the same designer who helped create products like the iPhone, iMac, and iPod, devices that generated hundreds of billions of dollars for Apple over the years. More than 200 former Apple engineers and designers are reportedly working on this secret project right now. That instantly tells people this is not some random experiment happening inside a garage office. The goal appears to be much bigger than simply launching another smart speaker. OpenAI reportedly wants to create a whole new category of AI-first devices designed around conversation and awareness instead of endless tapping and scrolling on screens. Leaks suggest OpenAI is testing multiple hardware ideas at the same time. One rumored prototype is a pocket-sized smart speaker equipped with cameras and sensors capable of recognizing faces, objects, and surroundings in real time. Current smartphones already use AI for photos and voice assistants, but these leaked devices reportedly aim to understand environmental context continuously. That changes the experience completely. Instead of waiting for commands, the AI could react naturally depending on what is happening nearby. Analysts believe some versions of these products may cost around $200 to $300, which is cheaper than many flagship phones that now cross $1,000 easily. The strange part is that OpenAI reportedly wants these gadgets to work without traditional screens. That sounds futuristic because global screen time is already reaching insane levels. Studies show the average person spends over 6 hours and 40 minutes daily staring at screens. Some people practically spend more time with phones than with family members. Soon, AI devices may start hearing more personal secrets than best friends do. Jony Ive's involvement completely changed how people viewed this project. This is the designer who helped Apple become one of the most valuable companies in history, crossing a market value of over $3 trillion at one point. Products designed under his leadership sold in the hundreds of millions worldwide. That is why tech analysts immediately started comparing OpenAI's secret hardware project to the early days of the iPhone. Reports say Ive and his team are trying to build AI-native products, meaning devices built specifically around AI interaction instead of traditional app systems. More than 200 engineers and designers are reportedly involved, many of them former Apple employees, with years of experience building consumer electronics. Hardware success is not only about powerful software. Design, comfort, battery life, durability, and simplicity matter equally. Apple succeeded because even complicated technology felt easy for normal users. OpenAI appears to be chasing the same formula while replacing app-based interaction with natural conversation powered by AI. One of the most interesting leaks says OpenAI wants to reduce dependence on screens completely. That sounds almost impossible because modern life revolves around displays. Smartphones, TVs, tablets, watches, laptops, and even refrigerators now come with screens attached to them. Global smartphone users already crossed 6.9 billion people, which means most humans on Earth carry mini computers inside their pockets daily. OpenAI reportedly believes future technology should feel less mechanical and more natural. Instead of manually opening apps, typing commands, and jumping between menus, AI could directly handle tasks through voice and contextual understanding. This concept is being described as an AI-native experience. Many experts believe the next computing revolution may not involve bigger screens, but fewer screens. Some people online are already joking that future generations may not even know what app icons look like. Honestly, that sounds funny now, but 10 years ago, people also laughed at the idea of talking daily to voice assistants inside their homes. One leaked project reportedly carries the codename Sweet Pea, which honestly sounds more like the name of a cartoon rabbit than advanced technology. Still, the rumored features sound extremely futuristic. Reports suggest this could be a wearable AI device designed for constant interaction throughout the day. Some leaks compare it to earbuds, while others suggest it may become an entirely new wearable category. The focus seems to be on creating always available AI. Right now, people actively open apps like ChatGPT whenever they need assistance. OpenAI reportedly wants AI to stay accessible all the time instead. That means instant answers, continuous awareness, and smoother interaction. Research already shows people are becoming heavily dependent on digital assistants for navigation, reminders, shopping, and communication. Over 58% of smartphone users now regularly use voice assistants in some form. OpenAI appears to be betting that this number will grow dramatically once AI becomes smarter and more conversational. Future AI devices may eventually become digital companions people rely on for almost everything, including deciding what food to order at midnight. This project becomes far more interesting when looking at the bigger picture. Smartphones currently dominate modern technology completely. Global smartphone shipments still exceed 1.1 billion units every year, making phones one of the most powerful consumer products ever created. Even advanced AI tools like ChatGPT still depend mostly on Apple and Android ecosystems to reach users. OpenAI may want to change that. Building its own hardware ecosystem would give the company more control over how people interact with AI daily. The smartphone transformed human behavior after the iPhone launched in 2007. Before that, phones were mainly for calls and texting. Now smartphones handle banking, entertainment, shopping, photography, gaming, transportation, and even health tracking. Some people check their phones more than 90 times per day without even realizing it. OpenAI likely believes AI devices could become the next major platform shift in consumer technology. Whether people are ready to leave screens behind is another question completely. History shows replacing smartphones is extremely difficult because even giant companies like Facebook and Amazon failed badly despite spending millions on their own phones. Amazon reportedly lost nearly $170 million on the Fire phone, mainly because consumers saw no strong reason to leave existing smartphones behind. OpenAI now faces the same challenge since modern users keep their entire digital lives inside phones, which took nearly 20 years of ecosystem building to create. The moment leaks mentioned always-on AI, privacy concerns exploded online because over 72% of internet users already worry about how companies use personal data. Devices that constantly listen and understand surroundings naturally raise questions about recordings, data storage, and AI processing. OpenAI will need extremely strong privacy systems if it wants people to trust these products inside homes and workplaces. Most reports suggest OpenAI's first hardware product could launch around 2027, while prototypes may appear earlier for testing purposes. Hardware development takes years because battery life, overheating, durability, and software integration all require extensive testing before release. Reports also suggest pricing could land between $200 and $300, creating huge expectations because of Jony Ive's involvement. If OpenAI successfully creates popular AI hardware, companies like Apple, Google, Meta, and Amazon will immediately respond aggressively. Meta alone reportedly spends over $40 billion annually on AI and metaverse-related projects, showing how serious this competition already is. Many experts believe AI hardware could either become the next smartphone-level revolution or another failed tech experiment. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.